creating some distance from the ordinary digital currencies. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade mechanized market creator to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the special highlights of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two brilliant agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has an extraordinary component and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, taking out the go-betweens or consent completely. Consequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Consequently, the liquidity gets administered for these parts in like manner as a decentralized convention for mechanized liquidity arrangement on ETH. Uniswap shocked the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was enchantment for that multitude of holding Uniswap as they turned moguls on September 17, 2020. While surprising the crypto world, an influx of Stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty Uniswap cost forecast. Uniswap, grasping details. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the innovative and practical ecospace. Uni supports trust alongside accommodation, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost equitably, viz. The connection among organic market is the deep-rooted peculiarity of inconsistent connection works for Uni token. Brokers come to showcase with desires that the Uniswap digital currency market they hold will guarantee incredible returns. Notwithstanding, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting techniques or any elective flow venture choice. If the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for an immense scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the inventory might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will serious areas of strength for show. As of now, the cost of $5.77 as shown by Uniswap is moderate yet shrewd and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap Uni cost expectations, this is the most suitable opportunity to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing broker. To comprehend the value changes of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past annal of Uniswap. Uniswap, the well-qualified assessment. While the underlying stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for Uni projections to construct that trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer in the most recent 24 hours. Cost stands tall at the cost of $5.70 today. As per Uniswap figure, the cost might tumble to the 51 cents toward the finish of December 2023. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great return, Uni can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice. In view of our tech area development expectation, the assessed Uni cost would be between $14.92 and $44.80. Significance: the cost of Uniswap is supposed to ascend by 674.11% in the most ideal situation by 2025. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $8. The greatest level that the Uni cost can reach is $9.22. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $8.22. Contrasted with what Uniswap was in January 2022, it sounds exceptionally bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By January 2024, it ought to effortlessly swing around $10.36. Uniswap value expectation 2023. As per Uniswap cost expectation 2023, the cost of Uni token might show some obstruction. However, it can't be said with sureness about the positive change in value concerning whether this year would stamp the brilliant time for this digital money Uni. As indicated by Uniswap forecast 2023, the base cost would reach to $5.20 and greatest cost to $9.60. The typical cost would be $8.40. Uniswap expectation 2024. In light of Uni cost expectation 2024, the value rectification may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the Uniswap cost above $10. In the main, around 50% of the cost would reach up to $10.50. Afterward, the most extreme value level may be around $11 and the base value level may be around $9.80. Uniswap value forecast 2025. According to the Unicost Forecast 2025, the crypto could try and arrive at another high of $12. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, insisting its position showing security. As per Uniswap forecast, it would go up to $12.90 and the most extreme cost would reach to $14 in the year 2025. Uni Value Expectation 2026. As per Unicoin Cost Forecast, the cost of Uniswap could go on towards a base value level of $15. The Uni token cost would arrive at the most extreme value level of $16.50. This could draw in merchants and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into UniKitty, and we could see positive cost change. Unicoin Value Expectation 2027. Toward the finish of 2027, the normal cost of Uniswap is supposed to cross the degree of $17. Uniswap is determined to hit a base value level of $16.80. Furthermore, the Uni cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $18. Uniswap forecasts 2028. Toward the finish of 2028, the normal cost of the Uni token is anticipated to cross of $18 according to the Unicoin Cost Forecast 2028. Uniswap is estimated to hit a base value level of $17.80. Moreover, the Uni cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $18.60. Uniswap Value Gauge 2029. According to the Uniswap Forecasts 2029, the normal cost of the Uni token could cross of $19. The cost of Uniswap is estimated to hit a base degree of $18.60. Besides, the Uni token holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $19.90. Uniswap Value Forecast 2030. In view of the Uni Cost Expectation 2030, the normal cost of Uniswap could exchange over the $20 mark. The Uni cost is determined to hit a base degree of $20. Besides, the Uni token holds potential to cross a most extreme degree of $20.80. Uniswap, a rising end. As per Uniswap Cost Expectation, there are extraordinary expectations the crypto local area holds for Uni, and it is definitely an ideal apparatus for designers and specialists creating all the more such decentralized applications. Taking into account Uniswap is a new undertaking and gullible locally, it depends on the initiative group to provide it the ideal guidance to upgrade the objectives set with the end goal of a greater cost. There are more splendid skylines, yet everything reduces to the reality how the whole computerized money industry flourishes. Really take a look at here are other long-haul cryptographic money expectations. Does Uniswap have a future? As of now, the exchanging volume of Uniswap is $89,658,217.34, and the market cap of $4,406,839,605.28 in the crypto market. The ongoing cost of Uniswap is $5.77. In the event that steadfast financial backers stay firm in their confidence in the money, the Uni token cost is certainly going to rise and have a brilliant future ahead. An expected level of investment is likewise exhorted with protected by copyright law. For what reason in all actuality do individuals trust Uni? Individuals have become mindful that one cannot turn a very rich person short-term and they need to safeguard themselves from fakes. Thus they purchase tokens